Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear everyone. Happy birthday to you. Yom Huledet Sameach. Yom Huledet Sameach. Yom Huledet Sameach. Yom Huledet Sameach.
Eitan, what you doing?
Oh, I'm just washing my hands, Phil.
Well, yeah, I know. I understand about that, but what are you doing? Why singing?
Oh, the CDC recommends singing Happy Birthday or some other song with a chorus of about 20 seconds to make sure that you're washing your hands for long enough.
Okay, that sounds great, but the CDC? I've been told that the chief rabbi in San Jose has said that no happy birthday, no Yom Huledet Sameach,
No happy birthday.
but there's a prayer song.
A prayer song?
A prayer song specifically for washing your hands. Do you have any idea what that is?
Maybe.
Hey everybody, here is the song. It's called Al Nitilat Yadayim. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu al nitilat yadayim, al nitilat yadayim. Wash your hands. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu al nitilat yadayim, al nitilat yadayim. Wash your hands.